In this video, we're going to be talking about property investment and how uncomplicated it really can be. With so many property gurus out there, I often get confused with some of the terminology that they use, and it makes it much more complicated than it really is. Where are you in your property journey? Are you a beginner, intermediate, or an advanced developer? It always starts with a property. Secondly, it's the location. Thirdly is knowing your market. And fourthly, who are you going to be selling to? That's if you're selling. Some of you may be rental investors. Identifying your property lane, that is one of the key secrets to success. Fortunately for my lane, I'm in the flipped market. That means all I do is I simply buy a rundown house, turn it into a beautiful swan and sell on the open market to homeowner buyers. There's also the lettings market, and that's for buy-to-let investors. Some of you may be thinking, are already buy-to-let investors. This is where you are a landlord. Other terminology that we can use is commercial investment, industrial investment, buying land, and all other sorts of opportunities in the property arena. The reality is most of us will be flip investors or buy-to-let landlords. Anybody else, in my experience, is a much more seasoned investor than beginners or people just starting their property investment journey. There's certain terms that have also been introduced which include deal sourcing and lead generation. All of this, in my opinion, and I've got 25 years experience, is nothing that's going to bring you in a deal or make you money. Ultimately, it boils down to starting your journey. And the first thing that you need to do to start your journey is make sure you subscribe to the channel and watch some of the weekly videos that I'm going to be pumping out. Okay, so I'm not going to keep it too long. I'm going to keep it short and sweet. What I'm going to try and teach you guys, successful property investment is not rocket science. We've got lots going on, we've got lots of experience, we've got a track record agency, international agency. We're buying properties in cash, which nobody else does. No banks, no loans, no interest, under the banner of Sharia homes. And I'm going to be sharing some of this with you guys too. Also guys, if you're enjoying this video, finding it useful, make sure you share, like and subscribe, because it helps the algorithm and it also benefits others too.